Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and a quick look at this pair of headphones. This is a pair of wireless headphones. Brand is Letscom. This is black and red, but the ones I have are blue and gray. So blue and gray here. And I've already taken the little sticker off because that was really hard to get off. Anyway, so look at the box here. It says wireless sport headphones. It's connected by a wire here, and it looks like it just clips in. So you've got a microphone. I believe that's high fidelity and wireless. So you can see it's a IPX7 rated, built-in microphone, ergonomic design, Letscom on the side, high fidelity audio, hands-free call, and multi-point. I'm not sure what that means, but I guess we'll find out. So let's go ahead and pop it open here. And it pops open to reveal a little case here. So you get your user manual, Bluetooth headphones user manual U8i or U81 maybe. Thank you for purchasing our products. Please read the user manual carefully before use. And then you get a little card here saying, let's see, not happy? No need to return to Amazon. Whatever the question, we're here to help. Gives you all their information there. So that's pretty nice. And you can scan for fast service, so that's pretty nice. Scan to become seed user to get free samples and other benefits. Oh, interesting. So in the box, you get a small carrying case here. And let's see, it's got some Letscom branding on here. We'll scoot this box over here. So, nice little case here. Now I got this off Amazon for $20. And forgive me, I'm trying to do this one-handed. All right, so let's see. All right, so in the case here, oh wow, okay. So we get the headphones here. You get little tips here, and oh, it's got like a little rubberized coating on it, which is nice. I think they look pretty good. So you have a little piece that goes around your ear. And I'm not sure, is that a button maybe? No. Oh, okay, your buttons are on the other one. So you've got buttons here. So this is your, looks like your volume buttons. Let's see. And then your charge port right there on the other side, covered by a little door. And it is probably micro USB. Let's see. Yeah, looks, yeah, it's micro USB. It's got two little buttons here. The other one does not have any buttons, so I'm guessing that those are also, they're volume buttons, but also probably pairing buttons and such. All right, and then in the other part here, you get a bunch of extra tips, which is nice. So different size tips. I'm not sure why there's a black one in there. Oh, that must be a clip, so you can clip it to your shirt. It's pretty nice, all right. And then you get your USB to micro USB or mini USB to USB to charge it. So that's pretty nice. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge these up and try them out, and I'll give you my thoughts on it when I'm done. All right, and here's how they look. So they fit pretty well with the stock ear tips in there, so that's how they look. And then you can put the little wire wherever, I guess, but it also has that little clip, so I believe you can just clip it to your shirt, you know, however you want to do it. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. All right, so I just tried them out, and they sounded pretty good. You know, nothing spectacular, especially since it's a cheap pair of Bluetooth headphones. But they were pretty decent. They fit pretty well, pretty comfortable, and it blocked out quite a bit of noise, which was surprising. So yeah, I think they're pretty decent. You know, I'll definitely, you know, give an update if I have any issues with it, but I just got these to travel with just to try them out. And yeah, they're pretty nice. So, just to go over a couple of things on here. So it was very easy to pair them. On the left, you have nothing here. So on the left one, you have no buttons, and this is not a button on here. So everything is done from the right headphone. So the silver button is your multifunction button. Basically, that's to turn it on, turn it off, and to pair. And then on the top here, you have your volume buttons, and you can also long press them to skip and go back. And then, of course, you have your charging port at the bottom there. And, as I'm reading in the manual here, there's some cool stuff here. So you can actually pair it with multiple devices. I don't have another device to try this with, unfortunately, so I can't really tell you how well that works. But you can have two on the same thing. And it tells you how to do that here. The pairing is pretty simple. You pretty much just hold on to the button until there is a little LED at the bottom right here. And once the LED comes up, as you can see, it's blue. That means it's connected. But it'll be red and blue, red and blue, red and blue, telling you it's in pairing mode. And when you have it in that pairing mode, then you go into your phone and you select U8I or U8L, whatever it is. And it may ask for a code, and if it does ask for a code, it's 0000, so 4 zeros, or 1234. And mine didn't ask for a code, it just simply connected, so that was pretty nice. And anyway, in the manual here, it shows you how to use the volume buttons, how to use the multifunction button, how to answer and hang up on calls. And it also gives you sound transfer to the phone, so you can long press it and have it go to the phone instead of using this. And then it also gives you all the specifications here. So on here, it is a Bluetooth 4.1. It has wireless profile, HFP, A2DP, HSP, AVR, CP. So I know that some of those are older profiles, so that's pretty cool. It does have the waterproof rating of IPX7, standby time of 250 hours, charging time 2 hours, talk playing time of 6 to 8 hours, varies according to volume level and audio content. And then you're charging, so it takes a 5 volt, just like a normal device would. And battery capacity is 100 milliamp hours. So yeah, that definitely sounds small, but these, they're just headphones. They don't really need much. So anyway, yeah, so far so good. Like I said, if I have any issues with it, I'll definitely come back and update this video. But I just wanted to take a look. Another thing you might notice is it is rubber coated, so it has a nice rubber coating on everything here. So it's definitely made for like some sports or some running, so you can take these to the gym, and it's pretty nice. These aren't like tarred or anything. They're very flexible, so they fit around your ears pretty well. And the wire doesn't seem to really get in the way. They did come in a bunch of different colors, so they're on Amazon, and I'll link that in the comments below, or in the description below. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.